Good morning. The river has started dropping. Let me turn you up. You can see that the amount that it has dropped. Flow is still very fast, probably around 4,500. We'll soon have to start pushing the pumps out. Let me show you here. It is at the 7-meter mark, and it reached the highest it reached was 7.2 meter mark. Anyways, I'll keep you updated. See you on the next one. Cheers. Just an afterthought. I kind of forget to mention it, but the peak flow is now in Fuelsdrift and Ausengere area, and I'm daily sending them our measurements so they can do a finer adjustment on their estimates of where the water level will reach. There are quite a few levees there that have been breached, some of the lower levees, and they're also very close to their higher levees now. They're a bit anxious for information on the river. But the lower down you go, the more data you have to do those estimates on. Anyways, cheers.